what is a dihedral angle and why the concept of dihedral angle is important to understand what are conformers is what we are going to talk about in this video. First of all, when we need dihedral angle or torsional angle. In chemistry, we talk about dihedral angle only when a molecule has 4 atoms or more. That means the n value has to be greater than or equal to 4. That's the only time we talk about dihedral angle. That means for triatomics and diatomics, we don't need to worry about dihedral angle. Let's define a tetra-atomic molecule through internal coordinates, and through that process we will try to define or understand what is dihedral angle. Let's say we have 4 atoms and let's define them through internal coordinates. So that's our R1, the distance between red and yellow, and this is R2, the distance between yellow and blue, and this angle is 90 degree, that is A1, and the distance between blue and black, that's R3, and the angle here is 90 degree again. Let's call this as A2. Now we got basically we have R1, R2, R3, A1, A2. We have 5 variables. Isn't that enough to define the internal coordinates for 4 atoms? No, it's not enough. Because now if you leave it at this point, the red doesn't know where the black is and the black doesn't know where the red is. So we need one more variable so that the red can know where the black is and the black can know where the red is. So let us say, let's move this aside. Let's say they are connected like this. You form a triangle here. So let's say that is one plane, and then you form another triangle, that's another plane, and the angle between these two planes is what we call as dihedral angle. At this stage, the dihedral angle is 0. So your D1 value equal to 0. The moment you move, then it goes to the other plane. So here the dihedral angle is 90, and if you totally move to the other side, then it becomes 180. So this is 0, 90, 180. Okay. It's very important to understand the concept of dihedral angle so that you can understand what are conformers. Without having a solid understanding of dihedral angle, it's very hard to comprehend the concept of conformers or conformational isomerism. And that's one of the reasons why I want to talk about dihedral angle in particular before I want to talk about conformational conformers or conformational isomerism.